Hi, I'm Rodel Bongat. I'm 54 years old and a resident of Manila, Philippines. Okay. I'm still single because I'd like to stay single because of the rejection I had with my girlfriend before when she discovered that I had a hepatitis B. I used to work in Qatar for 13 years, but when I come back in the Philippines, when I came back to the Philippines in 2018, because I resigned from my previous work and I have a new employer in Qatar actually, and for legality I have to go back to the Philippines and process my requirements for my working visa in my new employer. But unfortunately, I think that was 2016 when the GCC countries strictly implement restricting overseas workers with contagious disease such as AIDS, tuberculosis, and the hepatitis B. So right now, I am not working anymore because when I tried to apply for so many jobs, the employer will either say I'm overqualified or overage. But now my source of income, I'm doing part-time job and on-call jobs in my brother's company, the trading company. I learned to accept my condition because we have to accept it or else you will live with depressions for the whole life. No, so I just learned to face this situation, and I thank God that I overcame it and now I'm living healthy and happy life.